So 2 steps into the future of financial leadership with our MBA in banking and financial services. This program is tailored for individuals seeking to make an impact in the dynamic and ever-evolving trend of banking. Engage with industry expertise, analyze real-world case studies, develop the skills needed to navigate the challenges and opportunities of the banking sector. Each of these programs offers a unique blend of academic excellence and practical insights. This curriculum focuses on refining strategies, thinking, and decision-making abilities within the context of the financial services. This course has evolved more and more case studies to inculcate the problem-solving skill and critical thinking skills. When we talk about the leadership development skills, the global perspective imbibing in the students is very, very important. Financial and technology, fintech, which is a new aspect, involve the AI, artificial intelligence. The fintech trend, innovation and disruption with the financial sector is very, very important with the digital banking landscape. To prepare the student for getting the certification, we guide the student for preparing for the CFA, CFP, NISM and NSE certification in the financial market. The students are getting the paid internship in the second year. When we talk about the sustainable finance goals of the student, we have a entrepreneurship evolving, consulting opportunities with the graduates and postgraduate students, which involve the financial strategies, investment and risk management. Thank you, students, and welcome in the campus.